Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 7 April. Today's video topic name is difference between Java and Python. So first, Java is statically typed object oriented programming language. Python is the dynamic type and the object oriented programming language. Java is the compiled language. Python is the interpreted language. uh, Java has Java has large number of line code, and it is also statically typed, and it is not that easy to and it is not easy to use. Means Java is a large number of line code and it is not easy to use. Python has the small number of line code and it is a dynamic type, hence it is easy to use. Next, Java syntax is syntax is a strict than the Python. Suppose if you have to miss the semicolon at the end, or you have to miss the curly bracket, closing curly bracket, then you get the error in the Java. Python has the easier syntax. Only the indentation matters. There is no compilation for the semicolon or curly brackets, etc. Next, everything in Java start and end with the object. If you want to just print the hello, you need to have the class. In a Python, there are the object, but you can also write a program without an object and the class. Next, Java is faster and it is a compiled language. Python is the slower since it is an interpreted language. Next, Java is the portable and the JVM is available for the all platforms in the Java. Python is the portable, but it is not must be same as the Java. Java has the strong database connectivity through the JDBC and widely used. Python database connectivity is rather weak and it is not much used in actual enterprises application. A simple operation in a Java, like a printing hello world, we will take 5 to 6 lines of code in a Java. In a Python programs are relatively smaller than the Java and other languages. Python code will be smaller. Suppose if you want to print the hello word, then you do not you do not get the 5 to 6 lines code. In 2 to 3 lines or in 1 2 lines we have to print the hello word. Next, Java has better performance than the Python. Python has the lower performance than the Java. Next, JVM provide the runtime environment to execute the code and convert bytecode into machine level language code. In the Python, interpreter translate source code into the machine independent bytecode. It uses backend framework. In a Java, it uses backend framework like Spring, Blade, etc. In a Python, it uses Flash, Django, etc. Next, Java is the best for the desktop application, like GUI apps, embedded system, web application services, etc. Python has excellent for the scientific and numeric computing, machine learning apps, etc. The features of Java are great libraries, widely used, object-oriented programming language, portable, secure, excellent tooling, etc. The features of Python are readable code, uh, less length of code and easily understand, uh, beautiful code, rapid development, etc. The syntax of Java is class demo in a curly bracket, public static void main in a bracket string args open close curly bracket, and system.out.print in a bracket hello. So when we have to run this program, we will get the output hello. In a Python, same code as print in a bracket double quote hello. So you will get the output hello. Also, is the main difference is in a Java there is a large number of codes of large numbers of lines codes, it is a and it is faster to run, but in a Python there is a less number of code and easily understand.